Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. Are you guys looking for the best Wi-Fi range extender that gives you the best Wi-Fi coverage range? Then this video is highly made for you. In this video we will do the Prolink Dual Band Wi-Fi 6 extender setup in very simple and easy way. The Prolink Dual Band Wi-Fi 6 extender is a device that boosts your existing Wi-Fi signal for better coverage and faster internet in hard-to-reach areas. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. First of all, insert the Prolink extender into a power socket near your main Wi-Fi router. Wait 30 to 60 seconds until the power LED becomes stable. Locate the WPS button on your router. Press and hold it for 2 to 3 seconds. A WPS indicator light should blink. On some routers, it may be labeled as connect or have a WPS icon repeat button. Within 2 minutes of pressing the router WPS button, press the WPS button on the extender. The signal LED on the extender will begin to blink rapidly. Within about 30 to 60 seconds, the signal LED turns solid green or blue, indicating successful connection. If it turns red or keeps blinking, try again or use manual setup. Unplug the extender and move it to a spot midway between your router and weak signal area. Now setup is successfully complete. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.